Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're sowing mint. Now, for those of you who are going to say on the description, but that's really late in the season for sowing mint, this was filmed roughly the start of July, and yes, we're even late for then. And the reason that we're so late is because it's taken a long time for the soil to warm up on our hillside. We had a really crummy spring, as most people did across the country. Just to give you an idea, in my greenhouse at the moment I have absolutely no tomatoes forming at this moment, and we're at, I think, something like the 9th of July, which is quite worrying. But we'll see how they go, and they may catch up, fingers crossed. But today we're going to sow some mint, okay? And there's two reasons why we're sowing mint today. We're not sowing it for use as an edible crop because they're going into tyres. These are for moths, butterflies, and also because it's by the chicken run, to deter rats and mice because they don't like the smell of mint, supposedly, but we'll find out. So let's see how we sow some mint. Now, last year we planted these tyres with nasturtiums, but this year we decided to pull the nasturtiums out. This is really poor soil. This is taken from paths that we're digging out at the moment, and with that in mind, I'm going to be really careful how I sow this mint so I know it's mint. And to do that, I'm just going to make 1, 2, 3. There you go. Bruise it comes from a path. 3 little indentations. Now there's 1,250 seeds in here, and I'm doing 4 tyres. So I think we have plenty enough, and it's great to have it the same height as a bench that we're going to put next to it, which we're also making out of tyres. And it's really a matter of just getting the seed out, and it's really fine seed, as you can see, if you can see that on the camera. And then it's just a matter of pinch there, pinch here, and a pinch there. That's it, and the rest over one of the holes, tap it back in. So there you go, and then it's just a matter of doing that, and it's all covered over. And then, as always, label and pen. Now I'm going to give that a good water. As you can see behind us, we've started netting the coop again. This is fresh net to keep the birds out in case of avian flu come winter. We always get well ahead on stuff like that, and it also keeps the birds out as well from going in there and nicking the food. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're here every Saturday, so bye bye.